Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to share a document via link with Google Documents. Open Google Drive. Right-click on the document that you need. Choose Get Link from the list. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the Restricted to change the access type. Choose anyone with the link from the list. Click on the Roles button and choose the role from the list: Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Click on the Copy Link button. Share the link with the person that you need. If you want to restrict the access, click on the Anyone with the Link option. Choose Restricted from the list. Click on Copy Link and share the link with the person that you need. Click on Done to close the window. You can send the copied link via email to the person that you need. Go to your Gmail account. Click on Compose. A new email window will open. Paste the link into the email. Add the recipient and the subject. Send an email. There's another way to share the access to the document. Open Google document file that you need. Click on Share button at the top right corner of the window. Go to Get Link Block. Click on Change to anyone with the link. Click on the Roles button and choose the role from the list: Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Click on the Copy Link button. Share the link with the person that you need. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!